guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. Today's video we are going to introduce our new body kits for Range Rover Sport 2023. So today's video I'm going to introduce you guys what included in the body kits and what's different from the market ones with Summer Auto Parts body kits. End of the videos we will show you the details before and after for you guys reference why we need to upgrade the body kits. So first of all, the body kit included the front bumper assembly, which is including the front grille, which is SV style front grille black edition with carbon fiber strip. And on the other hand, we can find the full bumper. We have including the bumper grille, and this is a carbon fiber strip for the both sides for the front fog lamp cover. And on another side, we do also have the carbon fiber strap, which is for the front lip. This is matte stained carbon, which makes the car look more luxury. So this is a fully assembled front bumper. On the other hand, most customers are wondering how the fitment and what's the gap size between the original bumper with the aftermarket bumper. So we can check the details. We can check the details of the front bumper fitment with the Genius part. This is aftermarket bumper and this is the car body. So the fitment is very perfect, so you don't need to worry about the fitment and the fix problem. There's included the side skirt for the body kit because of the front bumper and the rear bumper all changed. So side skirt is very necessary to keep the body kit looks very fitment. So there comes 6-piece side skirt, which is 3-piece for left, 3-piece for the right side. And we can check. This is a side skirt, which is much more wider than the original ones, and this is looks much fitment and a nice look. Let's look at our rear bumper. The rear bumper we have changed the exhaust piper, and this rear diffuser is also makes black edition colors, but you can choose colors after you get the primer bumper from our body kits and painting as your car body colors. So what's the most important thing I want to introduce you guys is exhaust piper. When you fix only one to your car, you need to cut the original ones to fix it. So the car before is a single exhaust piper, but we are going to upgrade from the single to the double one. So that's very necessary, which is a round one with a carbon fiber look. It's make the car looks like the beaster. Except the body kit tuning, we do also have the addition part for the SV look, which is the most important thing for the Range Rover Sport car is a carbon fiber bonnet. So this carbon fiber bonnet makes the car looks more sporty, and we use the dry carbon fiber, which is a double carbon, which is the front face with a carbon and the back side also come with a carbon fiber for your look. So this is a double piece of the carbon fiber, which is dry carbon fiber, make the matte carbon looks. Make the car look more lighter but more sporty and expensive.